Hi everyone, this is Oliver and I'm here today in Chatswood and bring you another mock test. We are in Chatswood with Ruby today. Hi Ruby, how are you?
Hi, Oliver. I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Before we proceed further, I would like to let you know that this video is sponsored by Easy License. Easy License is a platform where you can book, compare, and manage bookings online, anywhere, anytime. Easy License also offers test packages that includes 45 minutes warm-up lesson, pick and drop from your place, and you can also use instructor car for the test. Now, let's talk to Ruby about her driving experience. Ruby, tell us about how long have you been? Do you have experience driving in Australia?
For Australia, I just start here. I don't have many experience, and I'm a bit confused with here's road and rules because different with my country. And in my country, I have actually more than 10 years for the license, but I'm not driving too much for experience. So I really want to do more practice here and know how the road, how the rules, and um, get familiar for everything. Yeah.
All right. So you have 10 years old Chinese license.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good. So you've been driving in your country a lot. Yeah,
Uh,
were you?
no, actually not too much.
Not too much. Yeah. Okay. So but you have 10 years old license. So what about you think if you have to rate yourself out of 10 in terms of driving? What do you think? How much would you like 10 being the best
Yeah,
and 1 being the worst? Yeah.
I think I think five.
5?
Yeah, because at least I passed the test in China, in my
Uh-huh.
country. Just a less drive experience.
Less driving experience. So Ruby and I had 2 to 3 lessons here so far, and her driving is good. I would say just struggle sometimes with lane changing and just a little bit nervous driver. You know, you come from different country and it takes a little bit time to get used to it. But overall, her driving, I would rate it around 7. I would say she's just being gentle on that. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. And so we are right now not parked in the Chatswood parking area. It's just up ahead, right down there, and I'll show you because it's not allowed if you're not having a test to park in that parking. So I'll show you down the road. So just we're gonna pull out from here. So Ruby, whenever you're ready, just pull out and go straight. Ruby forgot to release the handbrake, so when she tried to reverse, the car didn't move. She quickly realized the issue and fixed it, so she won't be marked. But if you can't figure it out and the examiner has to tell you, that would be a fail. So keep going straight, please. And at the end of the road, we're going to turn left. When passing a chicane, you don't need an indicator or a shoulder check. So on the left and right, that's where your test is going to start. Remember that when you're going to start your test with the examiner, indicate for 5 seconds and do your right shoulder check before pulling out. A shoulder check is required here before merging to the left. Let's see if Ruby does it. After that, keep going straight, please. Ruby showed a good scanning skills and moved a bit right to avoid the hazard on the road. Scanning on the road is not marked, but on this road you must be keep scanning towards the right and left to avoid any hazards, or if there are any cars pull out from the side street, you should be able to respond to it. And take the right turn here. And from the roundabout, we again turn left. Pull over to the left in front of this ute, this car, anywhere, and do a 3.10. When examiner says you can park it anywhere, so you want to find a place next to where there are no cars, so you have more kind of space to turn when you're going through your 3.10. A bit harsh brake here, so Ruby is gonna get marked for control and gonna get a minor error. She did a good job here by looking up and down the road and looked back before and while reversing. That was a close call, however she made it. She kept about a 1 meter gap from the parked cars, but when the white car came in, the space tightened. She moved closer to the parked cars and slowed down exactly what she should do. At the roundabout. Keep going straight, please. Just a reminder, roundabouts are give-way signs, so you need to just slow down. If there is no car on your right side, you should go. You shouldn't stop at every roundabout. And we get 10 left from the traffic light. Look at the front silver car, and it has blocked the intersection. If he was doing the test, he would have failed for blocking the intersection. But Ruby did a good job and stopped where she is not blocking the intersection at all. Next traffic light, we get 10 left. Also here, Ruby maintaining the 3-second gap from the front car in case if there is an intersection ahead or that car stops suddenly to park it. After turning left, we're gonna go straight for a little bit and then we're gonna again take the left turn. How are you feeling so far? How's your test going on?
I think everything going well.
Going well?
Yeah.
You think you have made any mistakes?
I don't think so.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
That's good confidence, yeah? You're going to turn left here. We're going to go straight at the traffic light at the next traffic light. We're going to turn left again.
Yep.
Again, not this traffic light, the next one, yeah?
Yep.
And we're going to turn left at the traffic light again, yeah? This road catches a lot of people out, even though it looks like a 60 zone because it's a dual carriageway. It's actually 50. If you're not sure after turning onto a new road and don't see a sign, you can always ask the examiner. Also, watch the downhills section. The car can roll over 50 without you noticing. Keep it steady and don't let it creep up. Past this traffic light. We're going to go straight from this traffic light, yeah? Beautiful use of Miss technique that is called mirrors, indicator and shoulder check. She checks her mirror, she indicates, and when she's ready to move, she does her shoulder check and move to the left lane. Turn left here.
Here?
No, sorry, traffic light. Sorry, my bad, yeah? I didn't notice that there is a left hand just right there when I said turn left here. That's what you're supposed to do. Leave a 1 car distance from the front car. Also, you would notice that when Ruby is taking a left turn, this is her 3rd left turn. I'm noticing that she always turns close to the center. After turning left, we're going to turn right, yeah? Turn left here. So as shown in this here, she can turn in any lane, either to the right or to the left. A lot of people have habit of turning close to the left lane, but if there is only one lane turning left, you can go to any lane, either to the left or to the right. So it's a pretty good idea to always aim for the right lane, unless the examiner gives you instructions, turn left and again left. That's the only time when you're going to aim for the left lane. Otherwise, always stand close to the center. Why? Because on the left side, there are mostly parked cars. So it's a good idea, stay to the right side so that
you can easily go straight without changing any lanes.
And not this traffic light. Next traffic light, we're going to turn right. Turn right here. Right here.
Shoulder check was required before turning, as there is an empty space on the left. See the red circle? That is curve ahead. And also on the purple arrow, as you can see, there is a space to move on the left. Ruby should have moved closer to the curb, so in case if there were oncoming cars, they could pass safely. She didn't. She kept kinda in the center of the road. That would marked as a fail item. F1 fail item.
We're gonna keep going straight here. Just follow the road, yeah. And we're gonna turn left here.
Great job here. Ruby came to a complete stop before the stop line and also looked very carefully up and down the road before coming into intersection.
We're gonna go straight and we're gonna turn left behind these cars, yeah?
Here?
Yep.
Again here at this intersection, it's a giveaway sign. She did observations very well, kept looking up and down while moving into the intersection.
Going straight, please. Take the right 10 here.
This is the correct position to turn right because we are on the priority road. We should be ahead of the ute on the side street. If you stop too far back, other drivers may think you don't know the rule and try to go first from the side street, which causes confusion and could cost you the test.
The reverse parallel park behind this car.